tackle floor pans. Gonna cut it out, weld it in, seam seal it. We'll probably clean up the floor a little bit better. Got a little rust spots, surface rust, so we'll probably get rid of that. Edge priming it. Clean, make it look better in here. Out. See what I'm working with right here? There you go. got so far. I got that straight right there. That's pretty straight. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this yet. It's pretty good. There we have it. Let me clean this up a little bit. Clean this up around here, all this, get some stuff out the way, and we'll be back. Here's the old floor pan compared to the new one. So what I'm gonna do is take this old one and try to get an idea where I need to cut. Just place it in there and get an idea where I need to cut it at. So I ran into a little problem. Everybody knows about aftermarket parts. They don't fit as good as the OEM. So I got a little problem here. I'll show you how I'm gonna fix it. So this corner here is a little short to the cut that I made in the car. So what I'm gonna do is get my body part hammers, and I'm gonna open up this lip and stretch this metal so I can go back forward and touch the other side of the floor in the car. So. Got it fitted in there. I'm about to start welding, so here we go. It ain't the perfect weld. I kind of rushed it. But the seam sealer I'm going to use, you won't even see that. I'm happy with it. Here's the final weld. Bunch of booger welds. Not my best work. I promise you the fronts will be much better. I'm ordered them. They're on the way. Some self-etching primer. Let that dry, then we'll hit it with the seam sealer, and that'll be it. This is the seam sealer I'm using. I never used it before. It's pretty cheap on Amazon. I'm gonna give it a go. Here it is. So I'm gonna let this dry and cure, and then I'm gonna top coat it. And that's it. Scuff this up, adjust a tad bit, top coating, finished product. There you have it. Not the best work, but gets the job done. There you go. 79 Malibu coming together piece by piece, bit by bit. Stay tuned. Okay, here's the finished product. It took me about 5 hours to do. Only reason it took so long because I ran out of welding wire, so I had to stop and go to the store a couple times for some items. But seam sealer is pretty good. Top coated. Still not 100% rough, but it'll get there. So, yeah, if you like this video, show your love. Check me out on the next one.